important topic, the river system, Telangana river system, which is Krishna River. Okay, Telangana is the Deccan Plateau, which is the tropical country in the Telangana, where Deccan Plateau, that is the humid, like dry deciduous forest, give the high temperature during the summer, which is 38 to 45 degrees centigrade. In that way, we need like such a rivers, which is Krishna and Godavari and their tributaries. They can secure the irrigation of Telangana, okay, and they can support many biodiversity hotspots, like species, different kind of biodiversities took place in the Telangana because of river system. Okay, we are going to discuss another important river, Krishna River. Okay, yeah, today class is Krishna River and their tributaries. Yeah, Krishna River, which is mainly in South Telangana, which is Krishna River, it can be flow. North Telangana, which is Godavari River, it can be flow towards the east, west to east, west to east. Okay, these rivers are originate the high elevation area where Western Ghats, they can origin and they can enter into the states which is from the west to east. Then they can flow directly into the ocean, Bay of Bengal. Okay, this is the river system where the Deccan Plateau is located. Okay, today it is Krishna River. Yeah, discussion about Krishna River, most important topics comes this. I did take it very short out notes for this. Okay, yes, basic points about Krishna River. Okay, yes, Krishna River, which is 1400 kilometers in the Telangana, which is 305 kilometers, mean 285 to 300 kilometers. Up to this range, there is a Krishna River flow in the Telangana. It can be take 300, approximately 300 kilometers. It can be 1400 kilometers actually. The Godavari River is 1465. Godavari River is 1465. If come to the Krishna River, which is 1400. Okay, yes, where it is origin, this is the keyword for TSPSC, Mahabaleshwar. Okay, Krishna River originate, the place is Mahabaleshwar, okay, which is Satara district, Maharashtra, Western Ghats. The height elevation is 1337 like height. Okay, 1337 height is there above the sea level, where Satara district is located, and Mahabaleshwaram is the place where the Krishna River is originate. This is the keyword. Mahabaleshwar is the keyword for the exam. Okay, yeah, and they can they enter directly Bay of Bengal, where the Hamsala Devi in the Andhra Pradesh. Okay, finally they can reach Bay of Bengal, where the final end point of the Krishna River is Hamsala Devi in the Andhra Pradesh. Okay, they origin at Mahabaleshwaram. Mahabaleshwar to Hamsala Devi. Mahabaleshwaram is the Maharashtra, Hamsala Devi is the Andhra Pradesh. It travel 1400 kilometers from west to east. This is the Krishna River. Okay, from west to east, where Maharashtra origin at Mahabaleshwaram to reach 1500 kilometers. Finally, the end point is Hamsala Devi, eastward they reach Bay of Bengal, which is they can carry 1400 kilometers. In the Telangana, if come to the Telangana here, 280 to 300 kilometers in Telangana. Telangana. Okay, yeah, once again it is basin, Krishna basin, the area of the Krishna River with along with all tributaries, which is 2,58,948 square kilometers. 2,58,948 square kilometers. About Telangana, it is 70,000 square kilometers. In the Telangana, it is 70,000 square kilometers. Okay, it covered the states. Maharashtra, it can be covered because of it is the origin state, and Andhra Pradesh is the end state, and middle Telangana and Karnataka, it can be flow. Okay, Maharashtra origin place, Andhra Pradesh is end place. Middle there is a Karnataka and Telangana, it can be flow. Okay, yeah. From this is the way where the origin, it is the high elevation 1337 and reach south part and reach east. This is the way Krishna, where the origin and the western Ghats and reach finally Bay of Bengal. Okay, again we have to look into this. Okay, yeah, guys, just look into here. Mahabaleshwar is the key word where the origin in the Maharashtra, Satara district. Okay, yeah, where end is the Hamsala Devi in the Andhra Pradesh is the end point of the Krishna River, and if come to this 2,58,948 square kilometers, it can be flow. The drainage system of the Krishna River is 2,58,000. If come to the drainage system of the Krishna River in the Telangana, which is 70,000 square kilometers. Okay, it covered 4 states where the origin state is Maharashtra, end state is origin state Maharashtra, end state is Andhra Pradesh, middle it can be covered Karnataka and Telangana. Okay, yes, Telangana, which is carry forward 300 kilometers. Okay, yeah, I hope you guys understand this. Okay, yes. If come to the next, what are the states it can be covered? Krishna River states it can be covered. Maharashtra origin at the Mahabaleshwar place, Satara district. Satara district. Satara, there is a historical place. Satara is the historical place in 1857 revolt. 1857 revolt. Okay, yes. And Karnataka, it can be flows through the northern Karnataka. If come to the Telangana, where it is enter into the Telangana is the keyword for TSPSC, Tangadi village. Tangadi village and Matkal Mandal in the Narayanapet district. They can ask you which district, that is Narayanapet. The place Tangadi place, Tangadi village. Okay, yeah. If come to the Godavari, Godavari where enter into the Telangana? Godavari enter into the Telangana is Kandakurti. Kandakurti, Nizamabad village, Nizamabad district. Nizamabad district, Godavari can be enter into the Telangana. If Krishna River enter into the Telangana, Tangadi village, that is Matkal Mandal, Narayanapet district. Matkal Mandal, Narayanapet district, and Andhra Pradesh, it can be flow towards the east. Okay, joins in the Hamsala Devi. Hamsala Devi is, there is a place which is, there is a like all rivers can be flow towards this Hamsala Devi. Okay, yeah, 7 sister rivers. 7 sister rivers can place in the Hamsala Devi. Okay, I hope you guys understand where 4 states it can be flow. Origin state is the Maharashtra, where it is origin Mahabaleshwar. And if come to the Karnataka, northern Karnataka. If come to the Telangana, there is a village, it can be enter Tangadi village. Okay, Matkal Mandal, Narayanapet district. And if come to the Andhra Pradesh, they finally reach the place is Hamsala Devi. This is important for Telangana point of view, TSPSC point of view. These points are important, guys. Guys, I am going to cover each and everything. Okay, you no need to go other any reference book. Okay, if you go through these slides, enough. Okay, enough for the competitive exam in the Telangana. I am going to cover not only river, the places which can be flow, the places historical events which can be flow, the wildlife like flora and fauna, what is the river can be flow, and districts speciality in the river can be flow. I am going to cover all. Okay, yes. And if come to the important tributaries of the Krishna River, main, there are number of tributaries are there left bank and right bank of the Krishna River. Main tributaries are Bhima, Musi, Dindi and Peddavagu. Bhima, Musi, Dindi and Peddavagu is the main tributary of the Krishna River. Bhima River, they can origin at Bhimshankar Hills, Maharashtra. Origin at Bhimshankar Hills, Maharashtra, all over Western Ghats. Western Ghats. Western Ghats. All over this, all origin Western Ghats. This is the longest tributary of the Krishna River. TSPSC point. Longest tributary of the Krishna is Bhima. Okay, Bhima is the like Bada size is like God, right? So that is why you have to remember Bhima is the like longest tributary of the Krishna. Okay, Bhima is the Pandava, Krishna is director, right? So in that way. Okay, yeah, Musi River. Musi River is Anantagiri Hills, Vikarabad, Telangana. This is important. It is the Musi River is the, they can provide water for the Hyderabad people. Okay, flow through the Hyderabad floods. Especially Musi is the reason for the Hyderabad floods. Where it can be origin? Anantagiri Hills, Vikarabad. It is the one of the greatest tributary of the Krishna River. Okay, yeah, Dindi. Next Dindi, it is Nalgonda district. Nalgonda district, it is support the Nagarjuna Sagar. Of course, the Dindi River, they can flow as Nagarjuna Sagar into the Nagarjuna Sagar. Okay, yeah, Peddavagu, this is also originate in the Telangana. It is the minor tributary. Okay, only Bhima, it can be origin in the Maharashtra. Remain three are Telangana, that can be origin Telangana. Okay, Bhima, Western Ghat, Maharashtra, it can be origin. This is the tributaries or main tributaries Bhima and Musi, Dindi, Peddavagu. Okay, Bhima is origin at Maharashtra Western Ghat. It can be longest tributary of the Krishna River. If come to the Musi, they can origin in the Anantagiri Hills, Vikarabad and flow through the Hyderabad, and Dindi, which is Nalgonda district, support to the Nagarjuna Sagar, and Peddavagu, this is the minor tributary. Okay, in the south Telangana, it can be origin. I hope you guys understand these tributaries of the Krishna River. Okay, yes, and right bank tributary. Right bank tributary. What is right bank and left bank? If it is Krishna River, flow like this, it is origin here Western Ghats, flow into the eastward. Okay, Western Ghat flow into the eastward, west, east. That can be flow in this way, right? This is the way this can be flow. In this way, this side is the right side, this side is the left side. Okay, upper part is the left side, lower part is the right side. So if come to the, this is the right bank tributary. Right bank tributary is, they can enter from this side like this, they can enter right bank tributaries. Okay, right bank tributaries, mainly Tungabhadra. Tungabhadra is the most, Tunga and Bhadra, okay, together to meet Tungabhadra. This is origin at Western Ghat, Karnataka. Western Ghat, Karnataka. The major tributary, it can be meet Alampur, Jogulamba district. Okay, yeah, it can be enter. Tungabhadra enter which place of the Telangana? Jogulamba district, Alampur. Most important for TSPSC. Most important TSPSC. Tungabhadra is the one of the tributary, right bank tributary of the Krishna. It is where it is origin in the Western Ghats, Shimoga place, and that can be enter into the Krishna River, where it is enter in the Telangana, Jogulamba Gadwala, Alampur district. Jogulamba Gadwala district, the place is Alampur, it can be meet Krishna River. Okay, I hope you guys understand. Tungabhadra placed in Jogulamba Gadwala, Alampur, and you meet the Krishna River. Okay, next Koyana. Koyana is the Maharashtra, that can be origin. This can be known for Koyana Dam. Dam is the most important. Okay, we are going to discuss about it. Ghataprabha and Malaprabha also right bank tributary. It can be origin in the Karnataka. It is mainly irrigation support. We are going to discuss each river. Okay, what is the importance of Telangana point of view. Okay, Handri and Hagari, where it is Karnataka seasonal rivers. These are the right bank tributary. They can ask you which one of the following is right bank tributary. In that way, these names are important. Right bank tributaries names Tungabhadra, Koyana, Ghataprabha and Malaprabha, Hadri and Agari. These are the most right bank tributaries. Okay? Yeah. If come to the Telangana historical significance of the Telangana, sorry, cultural historical significance of the Telangana, based on Krishna River, okay. Yeah, there is a Alampur temple and Nagarjuna Sagar Dam. Alampur temple, Nagarjuna Sagar Dam is a historical cultural places for the Krishna River. Okay, Alampur River, Alampur temple, Jogulamba Gadwala, where Tungabhadra meet Krishna River, that is Jogulamba Gadwala, Alampur temple, which is Krishna River, Tungabhadra Sangamam meet. Krishna and Tungabhadra meet, there is a Sangam called Alampur Jogulamba Gadwala. It is the historical cultural place based on Krishna River. Nagarjuna Sagar, which is ancient Buddhist civilization, Nagarjuna Konda. Ancient Buddhist civilization, Nagarjuna Konda, which is also based on Krishna River. Yeah, major projects in the Telangana, that is Nagarjuna Sagar Dam, Krishna River, and Srishailam Dam, Jurala project, Jurala Priyadarshini project, and Nettampadu, and Kalvakurti, and Bhima lift irrigation. These are the major projects. Nagarjuna Sagar Dam, obviously it is on Krishna River, Nalgonda district. Okay, it is one of the world largest masonry dams. And if come to the Srishailam, this is also Krishna River, where Nagar Karnool and Andhra Pradesh border. It is the hydroelectric and irrigation. Jurala Priyadarshini. Okay, Jurala Priyadarshini also Krishna River, Jogulamba Gadwal, Jurala Jogulamba. This is mnemonics, Jurala and Jogulamba. Okay, it is hydroelectric irrigation. If come to the Nettampadu project, which is also on the Krishna River and which is Narayanapet, Nettampadu, Narayanapet, Jogulamba and Jurala, Nettampadu, Narayanapet. Okay, yes, this is minor irrigation. Kalvakurti lift, which is Srishailam, Nagar Karnool, Kalvakurti, Nagar Karnool lift irrigation project, and Bhima lift irrigation. Okay, Bhima River, Narayanapet. Okay, drivers water from Bhima to uplands. Guys, these are the projects on the Krishna River, the district's name and importance, and dams built on Krishna River. Okay, this is the most important topic slide. You have to take a screenshot. Okay. Yeah, interstate water dispute relevant to the Krishna Water Tribunal, which is Krishna Water Dispute Tribunal, okay, 1973, okay, water sharing between Maharashtra, Karnataka and Andhra Pradesh. The Krishna Water Dispute Tribunal, tribunal is the place which is the court order of the tribunal which can be direct the irrigation system of the rivers, okay. Yeah, this can be tribunal, can be give the judgment relevant to the this water disputes, which is about 1973 Krishna Water Dispute Tribunal 1973 between the state of Krishna water sharing. The states are Karnataka, Maharashtra and Andhra Pradesh, okay. And 2010 Krishna Water Dispute Tribunal 2, Tribunal 2 is 2010 reassessment of post Andhra Pradesh bifurcation, that is Telangana demand the reallocation of 2014, okay. Yeah, Telangana Andhra Pradesh dispute ongoing dischargement of the Nagarjuna Sagar and Srisailam water sharing, okay. The tribunals are two, which is 1973 Krishna Water Tribunal between the three states, and Tribunal 2 is 2010, okay, that is between the post Andhra Pradesh bifurcation sharing, okay. I hope you guys understand. Yeah, just look into here. Yeah, states, Krishna River flow through the how many district in the Telangana state, okay. Yeah, Krishna basin in the Telangana, this is also important, how many districts are covered, okay. Jogalamba Gadwal, okay, Jogalamba Gadwal, Alampur, okay, there is a Sangam, Tungabhadra, where enter into the Jogalamba Gadwal, Tungabhadra enter with the Krishna, okay, there is a Sangam in the Alampur, okay. Narayanapet, which is Krishna River enter, and Mahbub Nagar, Nagar Karnool, Nalagonda, Suryapet, Vanaparthi, Khammam, some areas. All over South Telangana districts are covered Krishna River. The importance of 70% of Telangana irrigation support, 70% of Telangana irrigation support is by the Krishna and Godavari rivers. Two rivers, 70% they can take care of Telangana irrigation. I hope you guys understand this. The districts covered by the Krishna River in the South Telangana, okay. Yes, Khammam some areas only, Khammam some areas, okay. Jogalamba Gadwala, Narayanapet, Mahbub Nagar, Nagar Karnool, Nalagonda, Suryapet, Vanaparthi and Khammam districts. Okay, I hope you guys understand this. Yeah. Next, mind map about Krishna River. Mind map about Krishna River. Origin at Mahabaleshwar, Maharashtra. Origin Mahabaleshwar, Maharashtra. This is quick view during the exam for you guys. Okay, where it is exit, mouth is Bay of Bengal, Hamsala Devi. Okay, yeah, length is the 1400 kilometers and in the Telangana it is 300 kilometers. Main tributaries, left bank tributaries are Bhima, Musi and Dindi. Left bank tributaries Bhima, Musi and Dindi. Okay, right bank tributaries Tungabhadra, Koyana and Handri are main tributaries of the left bank and right bank. Okay, yeah, okay, yeah. Telangana entry Maktal, Narayanapet. Okay, there is like Maktal is the district, Narayanapet district is Maktal Mandal. Okay, Telangana where it is enter. Okay, major project Nagarjuna Sagar, Srisailam, Jurala. Okay, Kalvakurti lift irrigation. Okay, cultural sites are the Alampur, Jogulamba Gadwal, and there is a Krishna Water Dispute Tribunal, is disputes sharing of AP Telangana sharing issue 2010. Okay, 1973 is Krishna Water Tribunal, Dispute Tribunal 1973 between the three states Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, Maharashtra. Okay, these are the tribunals. I hope you guys understand this mind map. Okay, yes. Yeah, wildlife sanctuaries based on Krishna River. Wildlife sanctuaries based on Krishna River. This is also most important. Guys, I am gonna give you everything about this river. Okay, you have to follow this enough. Okay, with the mind map. Guys, you have to be follow the Telangana geography map. Okay, where the Krishna River is floating, you have to be find the districts where it can be flow. Okay, how many districts that can be west to east, east to west. Okay, they can ask you any form. Okay, yeah, Nagarjuna Sagar Srishailam Tiger Reserve. Nagarjuna Sagar Srishailam Tiger Reserve. Yeah, Nagarjuna Sagar Srishailam Tiger Reserve. It is the largest in India. Telangana and Andhra Pradesh, it is largest in Indian states. Telangana and Andhra Pradesh together, there is a sanctuary, wildlife sanctuary of Krishna River basin is Nagarjuna Sagar and Srishailam Wildlife Sanctuary. It is spread over Nallamala Hills. Spread over Nallamala Hills. Okay, there is a movie like Pushpa movie like, okay, Nallamala Forest. Okay, Krishna flows through this forest. There is a fauna, means species. Okay, there is a animals like tiger, leopard, sloth bear, sambar, and cheetal, muggar. Okay, and crocodile. Flora is there is a dry deciduous forest. Dry deciduous forest, teak and bamboo. Yes, and it is Krishna River and its tributaries like Dindi and Musi are flow through this reserve. Krishna River flow this and Dindi and Musi also flow this sanctuary. Nagarjuna Sagar Srishailam Tiger Reserve. Okay, Nagarjuna Sagar Srishailam Tiger Reserve. Apart from Krishna River it can be flow, and Dindi and Musi also it can be flow this Tiger Reserve. Okay, I hope you guys understand this. Yeah. Kolleru Wildlife Sanctuary. Kolleru Wildlife Sanctuary also important based on Krishna River. Okay, yeah, it is state Andhra Pradesh. That is Tiger Reserve. Srishailam Tiger Reserve is border of the Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. Kolleru Wildlife Sanctuary based on Andhra Pradesh itself. Okay, Krishna Godavari Rivers Delta, where Krishna Godavari river delta flows. Kolleru Wildlife Sanctuary. It is a freshwater lake fed by Krishna and Godavari waterways. Krishna and Godavari together they can form into the Kolleru Wildlife Sanctuary. The lake, freshwater lake, it is the bird spotted. Okay, there is birds are more. Okay, aquatic plants and wetland vegetation. Most important, it is Ramsar site. Most important, it is Ramsar site. Kolleru water lake is the lake which is flow by the Krishna and Godavari together as make fresh water lake. That is Ramsar site. Ramsar listed site. Ramsar listed site mean it can be support biodiversity, unique features, and it can be support for irrigation for most populated or habitations they can provide. This is what Ramsar list. Okay, the site is Ramsar site. Okay, important site for the migratory birds and wetland conservation. Okay, it is Ramsar wetland. Kolleru lake is formed by two rivers, Krishna and Godavari. Okay, yes. Yeah, quick reference about Krishna River. Yeah, Krishna River, there is a Nagarjuna Sagar Srisailam Tiger Reserve which is Telangana and AP together, and there is a tiger habitation, Nallamala forest is there. Okay, Krishna River flows inside this. Not Godavari, Krishna River can be flow itself. Okay, yeah. Eturu Nagaram Wildlife Sanctuary. Eturu Nagaram Wildlife Sanctuary, which is in the Telangana. Krishna River that can be flow. There is a special is sloth bear and dry forest is there. Special features Eturu Nagaram Wildlife Sanctuary, which Krishna and Godavari corridor, which is Krishna and Godavari corridor. Okay, Rallapadu Wildlife Sanctuary. Okay, Andhra Pradesh. Rallapadu is Andhra Pradesh, that can be flow as Great Indian Bustard. This is endangered species, and Krishna River grassland. Krishna River, due to the Krishna River, there is a grassland is formation is there in the Andhra Pradesh, where Rallapadu Wildlife Sanctuary. This is Great Indian Bustard is there. Great Indian Bustard, mainly it is about grassland species. Okay, this is endangered species in the IUCN, endangered IUCN. Okay, Kolleru Wildlife Sanctuary, which is Andhra Pradesh, migratory birds are there. This is the wetland of Ramsar, and it is Krishna Godavari Delta. Krishna Godavari Delta. And Pulicat Lake Sanctuary, Andhra Pradesh. Okay, flamingos and pelicans, this is the Krishna Delta. Mainly this is Eturu Nagaram is important, Nagarjuna Sagar is important, relevant to the TSPSC. Krishna, Eturu Nagaram and Nagarjuna Sagar Srisailam, okay, that is tiger habitation, and Eturu Nagaram sloth bear and dry forest, which is Krishna Godavari. Eturu Nagaram is Krishna Godavari. This Nagarjuna Sagar Srisailam is the Krishna River. Just focus it. This is important for exam point of view, guys. Okay? Yes. Most important for exam point of view. Okay? Next, MCQs relevant about key points about Krishna River for the TSPSC. Okay? It is Krishna enter into the Telangana, Maktal, Narayanapet district. The longest tributary of the Krishna is Bhima River. Longest tributary of the Krishna is Bhima River. And Tungabhadra joins at Krishna, Alampur, Jogulamba, Gadwal. That is Sangam. Tungabhadra Krishna Sangam is going to took place in the Alampur, Jogulamba, Gadwal. And Musi rivers flow in Hyderabad. These are the key words, main focused words for the exam point of view. Okay. The dam between AP and Telangana and Krishna is Nagarjuna Sagar Dam. Major power irrigation of Krishna is Srisailam. Okay, yeah. Tributary originating from the Vikarabad is Musi. These are the key areas for the key points for the Krishna River. Yeah. I hope you guys understand these keywords about Krishna River. We are going to discuss each tributary of the Krishna River. Okay? Yes. Yeah. Useful points about Krishna River. Kolleru Lake is the Ramsar site in the Krishna basin. Guys, I did make very important points relevant to the Krishna River. Okay? You can go through this enough. Okay? Yeah, Kolleru Lake is the Ramsar site in the Krishna basin. Western Ghat, Krishna is origin is a global biodiversity hotspot. Western Ghat is the global biodiversity hotspot. Okay. Nagarjuna Sagar Srisailam is the tiger reserve in the Krishna basin. Krishna Delta is known for mangrove and migratory biodiversity, because of it can be flow into the Eastern Ghats. Eastern Ghats is the main place for the mangrove forest. Okay? Yes. Yeah. Next, tributaries of the Krishna. This is also important. Left bank tributaries and right bank tributaries we are going to discuss. Okay? Yes. If come to the left bank tributary, mainly left bank tributary, Krishna River from north to south. from north to south. They can ask you the left bank tributaries, they can ask you from east to west, and right bank tributary from east to west, and north to south, south to north also they can ask you. Okay, you have to be fine. I did make it from north to south. Okay, yeah. So Bhima River, first river left bank and north, left and northmost river is the Bhima River. Okay, it is also Chandrabhaga River. It is also called Chandrabhaga River. They can ask you which one of the following is known as Chandrabhaga River. Bhima River is the Chandrabhaga River. Okay, it is, yeah, Bhimshankar Hills. Bhimshankar Hills is the place where the temple, where is the Shiva temple is there. Okay, in the Western Ghats. In the Western Ghats. The length is 861 kilometers. Of course, it is the longest river for the Krishna River, longest tributary. Okay, yeah. States it can be cover Maharashtra, Karnataka and Telangana. Okay, Bhima River flow in the Telangana, Maharashtra and Karnataka, 3 states that can be flow. Okay, importance, it is the longest tributary of the Krishna. This is the key word for the TSPSC. This is the key word for the TSPSC. It is the longest tributary of the Krishna River. Okay, yeah. It is Telangana rivers relevance. It is flow near the Mahabubnagar, Gadwal district and used Bhima lift irrigation project. Mahabubnagar and Gadwal district it can be flow. Bhima River is the longest tributary of the Krishna River. It can be originate in the Maharashtra. It can be flow in the Telangana, Mahabubnagar and Gadwal district. Length is 860 kilometers. It can be flow in the 3 states Maharashtra, Karnataka and Telangana. This is important about Bhima River. I hope you guys understand this. Okay? Yes. Write it. From the north left bank tributary is Bhima. Okay? Yeah. Yeah, next Musi River. Everyone knows the Hyderabad people about Musi River, right? Yeah, it is the rainy season. Okay, yeah. Musi originate Anantagiri Hills, Vikarabad district, Telangana. Anantagiri Hills, Vikarabad district, Telangana, which is left bank tributary of the Krishna. Okay, yeah, 250 kilometers. It is about 240 kilometers. Districts are Vikarabad, Rangareddy, Hyderabad, Nalagonda. 4 districts it can be covered. Okay, Hyderabad, Nalagonda, Vikarabad, Rangareddy. Rangareddy is associated to Hyderabad. Okay, Nalagonda it is southmost district of the Krishna River and it can be originate at Vikarabad. Okay, Anantagiri Hills. It is the beautiful place of the like Hyderabad surrounds, Anantagiri Hills. Okay, that can be Musi origin. Okay, yeah. The famous for flow Hyderabad. Importance, it is the urban river, high pollution levels, of course you know tank bund. Okay, yes, and it is dams. Yeah, this is important. Musi River, there are 2 dams which is Usman Sagar and Himayat Sagar, not Nizam Sagar. Okay, oldest reservoirs of the Musi. Okay, Usman Sagar and Himayat Sagar. Nizam Sagar is there in the Godavari River. Okay, that is Manjira. Nizam Sagar is Manjira. Okay. Nizam Sagar is on the Manjira River, which is Godavari right bank tributary. This is the left bank tributary Musi River. There is a reservoirs, oldest reservoirs Usman Sagar, Himayat Sagar. Usman Sagar, Himayat Sagar are the old dams on the Musi River. This is important for TSPSC. Okay, it is flow in the Hyderabad urban pollution. Okay, which one of the following is river for the urban floods? In the Krishna River, that is Musi River. Okay, Anantagiri Hills, they can originate in the Vikarabad. Okay, I hope you guys understand about Musi River. Yeah, next Dindi River. Dindi River. Next, Dindi River. Okay, yes, Dindi River, it is origin head Shad Hills, Mahbub Nagar. Okay, it is origin almost in the Telangana itself. Okay, Musi River is Anantagiri, Telangana. Okay, yeah, Dindi River is origin at Shad Hills where Mahbub Nagar, Nalgonda district in the Telangana. Okay, yeah, and length is 150 kilometers. It flow through the Mahbub Nagar, Suryapet and Nalgonda. 3 districts it can be flow, where Dindi River is Shad Hills, Mahbub Nagar, they can origin, Mahbub Nagar and Nalgonda place they can origin. It can be covered 3 districts where Nalgonda, Suryapet and Mahbub Nagar. And the project is Dindi Lift Irrigation Project. Important, it can be supplied drinking water to the Hyderabad irrigation. Okay, yeah. Dindi River also left bank tributary of the Krishna. Which can be originate in the Shad Hills, Mahbub Nagar. It can be cover 3 states, 3 districts, that is like Suryapet, Nalgonda and Mahbub Nagar. Okay, this is about Dindi. Dindi lift irrigation is there in the Nalgonda district. Okay, yeah. I hope you guys understand this. Next, Peddavagu. Peddavagu is origin at Illi ranges in the Telangana. District is Mahbub Nagar region. Okay, nature it is seasonal and small river. It is about minor irrigation and support to the villages. Okay, this is also left bank tributary of the Krishna. Okay, they can ask you right bank tributaries and left bank tributaries. Okay, yeah, this is about Mahbub Nagar river. Okay, I hope you guys understand. Yeah, next, right bank tributaries. Okay, right bank tributaries. Yeah, flow from the south to north. If it is, this is the river, Krishna River, where Maharashtra produced and went to the AP last. Okay, Maharashtra where it is produced, Mahabaleshwar. It can be flow 1400 kilometers, finally reach Amsala Devi. So, that is left bank tributaries are from this side, from north to south. I made it north to south, and right bank tributaries which is south to north, they can reach Krishna River like this. This is all over the basin, Krishna River, 2,50,000 square kilometers. 2,52,000 change square kilometers. This is the Krishna River basin. So, left bank tributaries we did complete, Dindi, Musi, this kind of rivers we did complete. Right bank tributaries from south to north, left bank tributaries north to south. Okay, yeah. Okay, yeah. Tungabhadra River. Tungabhadra is the one of the most important river of the Krishna tributary. It is originate at Western Ghats, Shimoga. Tunga and the Bhadra both together to form Tungabhadra. Okay, where the place is Shimoga, northern Karnataka in the Western Ghats. Okay, northern Karnataka, west. It is the confluence of Tunga and Bhadra, 2 rivers to make in the Tungabhadra in the Karnataka. It is length is 531 kilometers. They might not ask you the length, they can ask you which is long, which is short river. Okay, they don't ask you the length, how many kilometers, like this question they won't ask you. Okay, yeah, this is for identification only. Yeah, it can be flow Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh and Telangana, 3 states it can be flow. Mostly this south mean right bank tributaries are mostly origin in the Karnataka. North bank, left bank tributaries, there is a chance of Maharashtra they can originate. Okay, Maharashtra, Anantagiri hills, like this. Right bank tributaries are mostly Karnataka Western Ghats, Karnataka side. Okay, yes, and it is Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. Tungabhadra, they can flow Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. It can be origin at Shimoga place, Western Ghat of Karnataka, and it is meet Krishna River. The place is Alampur, Jogulamba, Gadwala. This is the historical place, cultural place. Okay, Krishna and Tungabhadra, they can meet to make Sangam in the Alampur district. Alampur in the Jogulamba district. Alampur, the place, Jogulamba is the district which is Tungabhadra meet Krishna. Okay, yes. And importance, it is a major tributary hydropower source, and historical significance, Tungabhadra though was at Vijayanagara Empire. Okay, Vijayanagara Empire, there is a Sri Krishna Devaraya dynasty which is Krishna River, Krishna Tungabhadra though is there. The place between them, there is a prominent place historically where the Sri Krishna Devaraya place. Okay, that is Vijayanagara Empire. Okay, I hope you guys understand this. Yeah, next. Koyana River is one of the right bank tributary of the Krishna River. Koyana River also one of the right bank tributary. It can be originate Western Ghat, Maharashtra. Western Ghat, Maharashtra. It is about approximately 100 kilometers. Dam Koyana Dam is the major hydroelectric power of the Maharashtra. Okay, it is near Karad, the Maharashtra. It can be origin. Okay, meet at Krishna River near Maharashtra. This Karad place, Maharashtra, that can be meet Krishna River. Koyana River meet Krishna River in the Maharashtra Karad place. Okay, yeah. Important, hydropower and water supply. They might not ask you this, which one of the following right bank tributary, left bank tributary relevant to the Koyana, because of Koyana is not under the Telangana. Okay, they can ask you, this is the right bank tributary of the Krishna, it is origin at Maharashtra. Okay, yeah, Western Ghats. Ghatprabha River. Okay, Ghatprabha River. It is also Western Ghat, Karnataka. It is also Western Ghat, Karnataka. 283 kilometers. Ghatprabha irrigation project is there. Joins Krishna at Almaty. This is important. Near Almaty, it can be joins Krishna. Okay, Ghatprabha meet Krishna where the place is Almaty. Okay, there is a separate project is there relevant that. Okay, yeah, I hope you guys understand this right bank tributary of the Krishna. Okay, Malaprabha. After Ghatprabha, there is a Malaprabha. This is Kanakumbli Hills, Western Ghats, Karnataka. Thus can be origin 300 kilometers. That is the length. Okay, joins Krishna near Kudala Sangama. Kudala Sangama, the famous pilgrimage site. Okay, important irrigation is Belgaum and Bagalkot district of Karnataka. Okay, this is also Malaprabha, also right bank tributary of the Krishna River. Okay, yes. Okay, other two small rivers about Krishna, that is Handri River, Karnataka. Okay, Handri River, Karnataka. It joins Tungabhadra, not directly into the Krishna River. It joins Tungabhadra, Handri River in the Karnataka. Handri Niva Sujala Sravanti project is there. Major lift irrigation scheme in the Andhra Pradesh. Okay, yeah. Next, Hagari. Hagari is the Vedavati River. Okay, they can ask you which one of the following is Vedavati River. Hagari River. Okay, that can be origin Karnataka. That can be enter into the Tungabhadra, not directly Krishna. That can be support local irrigation. This this Handri River and like Hagari River are the right bank tributary of the Krishna River. I hope you guys understand. Yeah, this is the mind map about left bank tributaries and right bank tributaries. Okay, yeah, this is the map, guys. You have to mind it. This is the mind map, north to south, Bhima, Musi, Dindi, Peddabagu, north to south of the Krishna River, north to south. Okay, this is south to north is right bank tributary. This is left bank tributary. Okay, left bank tributary north to south, right bank tributaries are south to north. Okay, yes. Bhima, Musi, Dindi, Peddavagu. Bhima is the longest tributary. Musi flow as Hyderabad. Dindi is Nalgonda district irrigation. Peddavagu is minor irrigation. These are the left bank tributary from north to south, and right bank tributary south to north. Tungabhadra is the major tributary. Koyana, Ghataprabha, Malapabha, Handri and Hagari. This you have to take screenshot, guys. This may be help for you. Okay, you guys take a screenshot. This can be help for you. Yeah, next, tips for the TSPSC points. TSPSC points, you have to take a screenshot for this also. Which tributary of the Krishna River flows Hyderabad? Musi River. Okay, yes. Which is the longest tributary of the Krishna? Bhima River. And Tungabhadra meet Krishna at Alampur, Jogulamba, Gadwala. Koyana River is famous for which dam? Koyana Dam, Maharashtra. Which tributaries support irrigation in Karnataka? Ghataprabha and Malaprabha. Take a screenshot. This is important, guys. Okay, yes. Next, practice questions. These are the previous questions relevant to the Krishna River. Okay, yeah, previous year question. Which river flows? The river which flows through the city Hyderabad is the Musi River, right? Yeah, very simple question. Tungabhadra River joins Krishna at which place in Telangana? Alampur, okay, Jogulamba, Gadwala. Alampur, Jogulamba, Gadwala. Jogulamba district. Alampur, Jogulamba district. Okay, yes. And these are also PYQ questions. Bhima River is tributary of Krishna River. Obviously, Bhima is right bank tributary or left bank tributary. You have to mind it. Okay. The Jurala project is constructed on which river? Of course, Krishna River. Jurala project comes under Krishna River. We discussed about Krishna River today. That's why it is easy. But if you come across different projects and different rivers, this is hard. Okay. Yeah. Which of the following river is originate Anantagiri hills, flow through the Hyderabad? Musi River. Musi River, they can flow, they can origin in the Anantagiri hills, flow in the Hyderabad. Okay. Yeah. That is PYQs. These are the model questions for the coming TSPSC. Which one of the following is the longest tributary of the Krishna River? Bhima River is the longest river. I provided answer here itself for your easy. Okay, yeah. Which tributary joins Krishna River from the right bank? Okay, Kudala Sangama. That is Malaprabha. That is Malaprabha. This is important. Okay, yes. Yeah. The Dindi lift irrigation project is constructed in which tributary? Dindi. Okay, yeah. And the which river is wrongly matched here? Krishna is Bhima, Krishna is Godavari, Krishna Musi, Krishna is Tungabhadra. Krishna, Godavari, they are both together, right? Are the major rivers, right? They don't as their tributaries. So, is answer B is the right answer. Okay, yes. Koyana Dam is the major hydroelectric project located on Krishna River. Okay, Krishna, which tributary? Okay, Koyana tributary, which is right bank or left bank? This is question for you guys. Yeah, these are, guys, these are about Krishna water system. Okay, Krishna drainage system. This is completed almost all over. You have to come across the tributaries, main tributary of the Krishna, right bank tributary and left bank tributary, how many district Krishna flows and their tributaries flows, what are the importance relevant the places they can flow. This is important for the mainly river system. I hope you guys understand the river system is completed. Tomorrow we are going to discuss the projects. Okay, yeah, what are the projects which is based on the river system. Okay, yeah, after 3:30 this is the class will start international relations. I am going to discuss every organization in each day. Okay, you have to be follow. This is important for any competitive exams. I did write UPSC exams. In that way I know the competition field, what are the main areas you should be focused, what are the areas you not to be focused. This is the main in the competitive exam. Okay, the productivity and accuracy is the main source for the success. Okay, I hope you guys understand to follow my classes, like the classes and share it. Okay, I will give you my best. Okay, thank you so much. I hope these notes, these slides are helpful for you. Okay, yeah, I made it very efficient and unique notes, and accuracy and production is also there. Everything is comes under this. Okay, you have to practice more MCQs relevant exams. Okay, I hope you guys understand. Thank you so much.